Wala na tayo, Mike. So, sige, kaya natin to. Una-una po, nagpapasalamat kami sa panonood ninyo. Maraming salamat. Binigyan niyo ang oras ngayon. At in behalf of TBA family, nagpapasalamat po kami sa suporta nila. At nakagawa po tayo ng pelikulang Pilipino ay may pagmamalaki natin hanggang pagtanda natin. Tama po ba? Tama! Kaya kami po ay nagpapasalamat, kami nila Papa Eko, nila Papa Mon, sa inyong lahat na nanood at nakisama ngayong araw na ito. Hindi lang to normal na araw, kumbaga naging extra special na araw ito para sa ating lahat. Kaya sa lahat po ng mga bisita natin influencers, maraming salamat po.
Ako naman, ako muna bago ikaw, Presidente. Unang-una, maraming salamat po sa pagdalo nyo ngayon at pananood. Isa po kayo sa mga unang nakanood ng pelikulang Quezon. 10 years ago, sa pagkakaalala ko, September 9, 2015, ipinalabas po ang General Luna. At yung first 3 days po niya, flop. Bumawi po ito nung ika-4 na araw, Sabado. Wednesday yung first showing. At yung mga nakanood po nun ay nagpakalat, nagyaya, nag-imbita. Yung iba sa kanila, 5 beses, 10 beses na panood. At dito ko po nasaksihan, kasama ang marketing team ng TBA. Dito po nagpasimula yung pagpo-promote sa social media at nagkaroon na ng mga memes ang General Luna. At ngayon po, hinihiling po namin uli ang inyong tulong sa huling trilogy ng Bayaniverse. Sana po, ulitin natin yung 10 years ago. Tulungan niyo po kami na ipakalat ang kakaibang historical film na ito. Hindi po ito typical na pinupuri ang ating mga bayani. Ang pinakita po dito ay yung kanilang pagiging tao at yung kanilang mga kamalian na napapanahon na sana ay ma-correct natin. Maraming salamat po.
Excelente. Hello. Okay, pareho lang. First of all, did you guys enjoy the film? Thank you. Before I even say something, did you feel something? Did you feel like, do you feel alive? Do you feel hatred, anger, joy, hope? Yeah, right? Everything. The reason why we are here and we're watching the film. Okay na sila matapos. Okay na. Ating gabinete. The reason why we're here and we wanted to watch with you guys is because we wanted to feel your energy. And we wanted to hear, wanted to see how excited you guys are. I see that you dressed up for the event. Gracias, amigo. Very good. Because this is an important film for us. This film is beyond the film now. This is a call to action. This is a special project for us because this is a movement. Because number one, we wanted to bring the joy and just the brilliant, just the happiness of going back to cinema. And Wolfgang is an amazing place to enjoy movies. Especially a movie like this. Yeah, Wolfgang, maraming salamat sa inyo lahat.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Second is that we start questioning. Nobody's perfect, but we have to get involved now in everything that is happening in this country of ours because we love the Philippines, don't we? We love the Philippines. That's why we chose I Am the Philippines because we are the Philippines. I am the Philippines. And now we ask for your support and help. We thank you for being here because you guys are so influential. You have the power, whether you have a following or not. Because at home or here outside, when you tell people about a good film, not just this film, but every good film, you are helping this industry not only to survive, but to thrive and to last, to be here. Because cinema is part of our culture. As you can see, diba, si Therese Malvar siya yung ano dun. And we are so honored for you guys to have, spent 3 hours with us. Maraming salamat sa inyo. So please, tell your friends, tell your family, if you love the film, just tell them you love the film and watch it on October 15. We love you guys. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. This is acceptable! God bless you. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, everyone.
Can we have a group photo with everyone?
Tama, yeah.